Every young person carries a dream, a future waiting to unfold. But every year, countless dreams are destroyed by one dangerous choice.
Drugs don't just ruin lives, they steal them. The weak and the body, damage the mind, and break the people who love us. One moment curiosity, one moment of pleasure, can lead a lifetime of pain.
Don't be fooled. Drugs don't make you stronger. They don't make you accepted. They don't solve your problems. They only create new ones. Bigger ones.
Our advocacy is simple. Choose life, choose your future, say no to drugs. Protect your mind, protect your body, protect your dreams.
If someone offers you drugs, walk away. If you see a friend struggling, reach out. If you feel pressure, speak up. Strength is not about trying everything. Strength is knowing when to say no.
We stand together to create a safer school, a healthier community, and a brighter future. Let's support one another. Let's protect each other. Because no one should fight this battle alone.
Wag.
Wag.
Wag. Wag. Wag.
Wag.
Wag mong subukan. Masira ang buhay mo.
Iwasan mo ang droga, huwag mong subukan.